Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday, the 25th, and Friday, the 26th of April, 2019. As usual, we don't typically do a market preview for Fridays, and this Friday will be no different, although we will talk about what's coming out on Friday because it's a big one. We still have a lot of numbers left, economic data and earnings-wise, and because we're still in core earnings season, so there's a lot of numbers Wednesday and Thursday. Leading into that, but let's look at the ES front month futures contract first. This is the daily chart of the broad market and futures form. Down a little bit today after a spike update the day before. And it is what it is. It wasn't as exciting of a session as you'll see as the prior sessions. So go through the major daily charts. Here's crude oil down 25 cents to 65.64. Gold loses $3.10. S&P cash loses $6.43. Again, we're up near the all-time high area at this point in time. NASDAQ 100 down 26.30. SOX up 14.97. The biotech's down. Again, this is the trouble. Banks biotech's not leading. Biotech's down 40.82. Russell 2000 up 3.03. Needs to get over that 1600 level to really be a thing right now. The VIX gains 86 cents to 13.14. The trend closes at 1.49. That's a high reading. Moves that 10-day all the way up to 1.18, so there's nothing there. NASDAQ volume 2 billion shares. That's under the right at the 10-day moving average, but that's been declining, so it's in the lower half of what we've seen so far this year in the first almost 4 months of the year. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ negative 146, on the New York plus 41, so it was a pretty flat day overall. Google loses $10.54 as it approaches all-time highs. Apple down 32 cents, nowhere near all-time highs. Netflix down $7.66. After it got a 13 sell signal a couple of days ago. Doesn't look great from that perspective. Amazon down 22.02. Tesla down $5.24. Potentially a daily chart breakdown on Tesla. Not too much more to get to that point. Facebook down $1.20. Goldman Sachs loses $3.60. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, was up $1. That's a good bounce back there. The Dow was just down 59. All right. Let's take a look at the intraday action so you can see. Look at this. So again, Monday looked flat, but we had some winners because of the early movement. And the future side was great Monday and Tuesday. But then Tuesday, obviously a big up day, and we had some great winners. Wednesday, though, not that exciting. Pretty much small down gap. Tried to go a little lower, came back to fill the gap, blah, blah, blah. I was sitting about even late in the day and then dipped right after. So not a lot to look at or hang your hat on. And that's not really surprising. All right, in terms of what's coming left in the week, Thursday, an hour before the bell, the weekly initial and continuing jobless claims numbers, durable goods, an hour in, natty gas. Friday, this is the big one. First look, the advanced look at GDP for the first quarter. So this one tends to get the market excited. So Thursday could be a little slow because of that. And then revised University of Michigan sentiment. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. And then we'll talk to you on Monday.